Hi students, problem number 3. A steel wire of length L has a magnetic moment capital M. It is bent at its middle point at an angle of 60 degree. Then the magnetic moment of the new shape of the wire will be. Very interesting problem again. Let us consider this is a steel wire of length L. Okay. It is having a magnetic moment, and also let us say that the pole strength at the two ends is small m. So in the first case, let capital M be its magnetic moment. So the magnitude of the magnetic moment is equal to pole strength M multiplied by the distance between the two poles, that is L. So M into L. So this is the expression for the magnetic moment of the steel wire when it was straight and when it was not bent. Okay, it is bent at its middle point is given. So let us take the steel wire is bent at the midpoint here. So it becomes a V shape, is it not? So this angle made at its apex is 60 degree. Now the new length or distance between the two poles, okay, is BC. That distance we have to find out. The new distance between the two magnetic poles, that is the distance between the two ends of the steel wire, we have to find out. So I have made some geometrical constructions. Can you see? I have joined B with C by dotted line, and the midpoint is D. I have projected the point A on BC. Okay, so that AD is perpendicular to BC. The total angle BAC, I will write here, angle BAC is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, what is angle BAD? So this is angle BAD is equal to 30 degree, and this also equal to angle what? CAD. So these two. So it is an isosceles triangle. Now I will find out the value of sine 30. Okay, sine theta is equal to what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So for both the right angle triangles, the hypotenuse AB and AC, they have same length L by 2 because the wire is bent into two halves. So half the length is what? L by 2. So understanding is required. Very quick understanding is required. So what is sine theta equal to? Sine theta is equal to opposite side BD. Okay, BD divided by hypotenuse AB. So sine 30 degree is equal to BD divided by, what is that? Hypotenuse is L by 2. So this is L by 2. Now sine 30 is what? Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2, is it not? So 1 by 2 into L by 2 is equal to BD. Therefore BD, the length BD is equal to L divided by 4. So this length BD is L divided by 4. Similarly, the other length CD also must be equal to L by 4 because it is a isosceles triangle. Have you all understood up to this? So from sine theta I have got an expression for BD as well as CD. Both are equal. Therefore, what should be the new length between the two end points? It is BD plus DC, is it not? Therefore, the new length, magnetic length is equal to BD plus CD, and that is equal to L by 4 plus L by 4, that is equal to L by 2. Understand? Therefore, new magnetic moment is denoted by a symbol M dash. But still it is having the same pole strength at the ends. So it must be product of M into the new length. So this is L by 2. So this is equal to m into L divided by 2. But what is already m into L? That is the initial magnetic moment. So this is equal to m by 2. Okay, therefore the new magnetic moment is equal to m by 2. This is the answer. Now we will check the options. Okay, option B is m by 2. Therefore, which is the correct answer? Option B. Okay, is the correct answer. So option B, m dash is equal to m by 2 is the correct answer. Though the problem appears very simple, but here the idea of sin theta has to come in your mind. Otherwise, problem is very simple only. Okay, children, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.